this video, we will look at connecting to VMware virtual machines using the Windows Remote Desktop utility. This video is based on VMware Knowledge Base article 1018809. To connect to your virtual machine using the Windows Remote Desktop Protocol RDP utility, your virtual machine must be connected to your physical network by either a bridged or a NAT connection. To configure your virtual machine with a bridged connection, open the virtual machine settings from within your VMware Workstation, VMware Server or VMware Player by clicking the VM tab, then selecting Settings. In the Hardware tab, select Network Adapter and ensure that the Bridged Network Connection checkbox is selected. Click OK. To configure your virtual machine with a NAT connection, open the VM tab and select Settings. In the Hardware tab, select Network Adapter and ensure that the NAT connection checkbox is selected. Click OK. To configure port forwarding on the NAT connection for your virtual machine, click on Edit in the Workstation toolbar and select Virtual Network Editor. Select the network adapter that is set to the NAT interface. This will be VMnet 8 by default. Click the NAT Settings button, then click the Add button. In the Map Incoming Port dialog box that opens, fill the host port, the IP address of the virtual machine you want to connect to the NAT connection, and the virtual machine port, which needs to be 3389 unless you have changed it. Click OK. Just like in a physical environment, you need to configure the Windows operating system before you can use the Remote Desktop Protocol. For instructions on how to configure your Windows operating system for use with this protocol, see your operating system user manual or the Microsoft support site. This concludes our look at connecting to VMware virtual machines using the Windows Remote Desktop utility. For further tutorial videos, be sure to subscribe to our KBTV YouTube channel and our KBTV blog. Thank you for choosing VMware.